The thirsty crow. One hot day a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. For a long time he could not find any water. He felt very weak and almost lost all hopes. Suddenly he saw a pitcher of water, but the water was very little and it washed at the bottom of the pitcher. The crow's beak could not reach to the water. He thought hard for a while and suddenly his eyes fell upon some pebbles lying near the pitcher. Seeing the pebbles, he was struck by an idea. Let me pick some pebbles and drop them into the pitcher one by one. As he dropped the moral of the story, where there's a will, there's a way. Or body part.
Identify them easily. Head, head, hair, hair, face, face, cheek, cheek, forehead, forehead, eyebrow, eyebrow, eyelash, eyelash, eye, eye, eyelid, eyelid, ear, ear, nose, nose, nostrils, nostrils, mouth, mouth, lips, lips, teeth, teeth, tongue, tongue, chin, chin, neck, neck, chest, chest, shoulder, shoulder, stomach, stomach, waist, waist, arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, wrist, wrist, palm, palm, fingers, fingers, thumb, thumb, nail, nail, hip, hip, leg, leg, foot, foot, thigh, thigh, knee, knee, ankle, ankle, toes, toes, heel, heel, back, back, bottom, bottom.
Turn left and turn right, turn left. Turn right. Hands up and hands down, hands up. Hands down. Thumb printing. Dip your thumb in thick watercolor or paint and print your thumb impression over a branch of the tree to form birds. You can use Google Eyes or black bindi to form eyes of the birds. Picture talk garden.
It's used to keep humans and animals in and out. Say, fence. There are a lot of tools around, and they are all kept in a tool shed. Say, tool shed. The two handles on this cart are for carrying heavy loads of dirt. This is called wheelbarrow. Say, wheelbarrow. This machine can be used to cut tall grass. This is called lawn mower. Say, lawn mower. This tool is used to dig or carry heavy items, such as soil, pebbles, and stones. Shovel. Say, shovel. This pitchfork could be used to lift hay. Say, pitchfork. When working in the garden, these gardening gloves are worn for safety. Gardening gloves. Say, gardening gloves.
Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells
sleeping, Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Introduction: Cleanliness of our body. I brush my teeth twice a day. I trim my nails every week. I wash my hands before I eat. Whenever I come home, I always wash my hands, legs, and face. I comb my hair every morning before going to school. I take a bath every day. I wear clean clothes every day.